Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics, your PUBG ID plus the phone or email you want linked. Once done, open PUBG Mobile and sign in as a guest to begin linking. Make sure the game is updated so linking options appear. Outdated clients hide menus. You should also have your Google, Facebook, or Twitter credentials handy because you'll use one of them to bind immediately. This avoids losing progress and lets you transfer data across devices right away. You navigate to Settings, then Basic, then Account, and tap Binding or Link Account. Next, choose the platform you want: Google, Facebook, Twitter, or WeChat. Depending on region, pick one that you'll keep long-term. When prompted, allow the app permissions and sign into that external account. This authorizes PUBG to associate your progress. Make sure you confirm the binding prompt, otherwise the guest account stays unlinked. Once linked, the game shows a confirmation and a linked icon beside your profile. You finish by double-checking account settings to see the linked platform name and a confirmation badge. This proves success. If linking fails or you lose access later, gather your UID, last login time, device model, and send that to PUBG support for account recovery. Make sure not to bind multiple guest profiles to the same external account. This creates conflicts and possible data loss. Finally, once stable, sign out and sign back in via the linked method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.